How's it going, guys? You're watching Wake Up and Live. This is day 2, so if you didn't watch the previous video, go back and watch that one first. So yesterday we did a dive, got some fish, did a short night dive, got a couple lobsters, and yeah, this morning we're gonna go for another dive. Hopefully we can find some more fish, but stay tuned. Okay, so as soon as we jumped in, we're just surrounded by all this bait fish, probably millions of them, from the surface all the way down. Usually it's a good sign. Usually there'll be predators around, you know, OMILUs, papillos, ULUAS, ukus, stuff like that. But there's nothing feeding on them, but still cool to see. So this is the second drop of the day. My partner signaled me, so I turned around and we saw an OMILU swim around that reef over there. So I dropped down over here just to see if I could get it to come in or anything like that. Had this decent sized moonu right here. So I'm just looking around. And right here I'm going to turn back and I'm going to see the OMILU swimming around the reef again. So I'm going to slowly make my way over there, hoping that it is going to pop out. So right here I noticed that there's holes under this reef, and I see it right there. It pops out in that hole. I'm trying to get a better angle, and yeah, I think I spooked it. Couldn't find it after this. Nice 12-pounder though. So this is like half hour into the dive in the shallow waters. We actually figured out at this spot that all the fish are just in the shallows, like 30 feet water. So it was a pretty easy dive, and luckily for that, because my dive watch broke, so I don't like staying in the deeper waters without my dive watch. So anyway, I was just watching this moonu coming in and out. Wasn't 100% sure I was gonna try and shoot it, so I just kept aiming at it and not taking the shot. But there wasn't really anything around, so yeah, I'm gonna decide to take it. Get a first fish on the kui. I think this was only in like 20 feet water, maybe even less, I'm not sure. So anyways, yeah, we're slowly trying to make our way to some OLUA houses that we've seen the day before. I ended up swimming past it, and my partner found it and took a drop, and he had an OLUA swim right up to him and shot it. And here it is. It's his first OLUA ever, coming in at 52 pounds. We're all stoked. So right here, I'm gonna take a drop in the house that I was looking for. He just shot his OLUA nearby this. This is actually a really long ledge. So this is my second or third drop already, just going down the ledge looking. And right here I noticed an OMILU swim around that rock in there. So I came on this left side, I was seeing if it was gonna pop out. I saw the tail again, so I knew it turned around. So I'm waiting for them on this side. And now I know that there's two. Line up, take my shot, and yeah, I mean, I stoned him. Perfect shot, dropped right there. My shooting line got tangled, so I didn't pull him out right here. And I figured no need to worry because he was stoned. So come back down. And I do not see him at all. I mean, he's gone. My cable is cut, my shaft is gone. And yeah, I mean, just heartbreaking. This OMILU was easily over 20 pounds. And I don't know what happened. I searched for at least an hour for him and I did not find him at all. So bummed out. We're slowly making our way back in since my partner had his Ulua. I kept checking under all the ledges. Didn't see anything. So finally I stopped over this one ledge and I kept looking at it, and my gut told me to check it. So my partner handed me his gun, and then I went down. And I didn't turn my GoPro on like I normally do at the surface. Right when I saw it, I turned it on, and I didn't get the shot, unfortunately, on camera. It turned on right after I shot him. But yeah, here you go. And right there I see the shaft bend. Just got stuck on a little coral head down there. Runs back in under the ledge. So I can feel him pulling a little bit. He's just under the ledge. I just remember thinking to myself, please don't cut, please don't cut. I already lost the OMILU. I didn't want to lose this. I felt it actually go kind of limp, and I couldn't feel him fighting, and I got worried right here. But then he ends up popping out, kind of wrapping around the reel line. Right there. I was like, okay, good, he's still on. Still fighting strong. Meanwhile, my partner saw this, so he's trying to unclip my other gun from the buoy. So right here, my partner passes me my other gun, load it, and I'm going down right here. I see it, it's pretty much done for, just lying on the reef. But I figure just take the shot, make sure I don't lose it. Got a perfect shot on him. So yeah, I got some redemption from losing that OMILU, but man, a 20-pound OMILU is, you know, one of the goals for any fisherman or diver. But I was stoked. Got a 29-pound OMILU right here. My partner's 52 and my 29. All in all, pretty good dive. Not too bad. So anyway, yeah, I'm gonna smoke both ULUAS. Got it all prepped and it was soaking for 2 days already. So that trip was good and bad for me. I mean, I was stoked. My partner got his first uku and his first ULUA, and I had a small ULUA too. But I broke my dive watch. I lost the shaft, lost the OMILU. I bent my partner's shaft. And to top everything off, after landing that small ULUA, I was gonna 3-prong. I saw some nice avails and menpachis. I swam up to my buoy, grabbed my 3-prong, and the tip was gone. It unscrewed and I guess fell somewhere. So yeah, kinda good and bad trip for me. But you know, main thing, we got home safely. We got blessed with some fish and lobsters for the family. So can't complain, you know. So anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Thank you guys for all the support. We just passed 1,500 subscribers, on our way to 2,000. Hoping we can make that happen by the end of this month, but we'll see. Just wanted to thank you guys for all the positive support, and you know, just for watching all my videos. It means a lot. But yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe if you're not already. Check out Venture Wetsuits in my link below. Leave a comment below and tell me what you guys want to see. I'll try to make it happen. And yeah, enjoy the rest of the video. Thanks.